Ted Brooks with MagLogix here in Denver, Colorado, working with our partner Alfra, one of the premier manufacturers of MagDrills in the industry today. For years they've been trying to solve one of the biggest problems with MagDrills. That's the electromagnet at the base. They overheat if you leave them on too long, they require maintenance, they require rebuilding. What most people don't understand is they require a lot of thickness of metal to absorb all of that magnetic energy. You take a typical electromagnet like you would have on a MagDrill, it may take 2-inch, even 3-inch steel before you get all the power that's advertised from that magnet. If you're drilling something a little bit more common like this 3/16" webbing on this channel, you may be down to 10, 15, 20% of the original rated holding power, which means you're going to have to use backup plates. These are all problems that the electromagnets give you that Alfra's been searching for a way to solve. They've found it, and that's the MagLogix magnet at the base of this unit. Let me show it to you. Something very unique, something very special. A couple things about it: it's much smaller, it's lower profile, it's lighter weight, which means that overall this tool is that much more easy for the user to handle. A couple things you can't really tell from this video: that's hardened steel. That's something that's going to give you much longer lifespan, much less damage even from the abuse that we know goes on in the field. It's also got a special coating on it to help with additional holding power, especially useful when you're in vertical applications and you may have some sliding taking place in the magnet. This is going to help solve that problem as well. So less maintenance, lighter weight, lower profile, but most importantly, this magnet, unlike any other in the world today, holds better on 3/16, holds better on even 1/8 inch and below, even thin gauge metals, than any magnet you've ever seen, and good knows you've ever used. Something very unique, very special, exclusive, the new SP series of drills from Alfra. Let me show you a little bit about how this works for you. Obviously the lighter weight, a little bit more convenient to hold on to. We've deliberately left a little bit of energy in this magnet, even when it's turned off. What this does for you is it means that the magnet isn't fully off. It actually helps support the weight of the drill. That just means that there's less weight on you and your shoulders and your wrists. Just a little bit of energy though, which means that you can still easily adjust it, get it perfectly lined up with your mark, and when it's right where you want it, simply take one finger, one thumb, and push that lever down. You now have more holding power on thin metal than any electromagnet has ever been able to give you in the history of these tools. Now that we've got it lined up, even on some 3/16" 2x2 tube steel, simply turn it on, and let's go ahead and drill it. All the holding power I'll ever need, even if I'm pushing a little bit harder than you probably do at home. That's the new SP series of drills from Alfra, incorporating the MagLogix technology in the base. There's nothing else like it in the industry today.